Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop specific people from ever seeing your phone number on Telegram using the latest update on the desktop app. If you value your privacy and want more control over who can access your number, this quick tutorial is just what you need. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main menu, where you'll find several options. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a range of categories, but the one we want is Privacy and Security. Click it to move forward. Under Privacy and Security, there's a section called Phone Number. This is where Telegram allows you to choose who gets to see your phone number and who doesn't. Click on it, and you'll notice a few options. By default, it might be set to everybody, but to gain full control, select My Contacts. Setting it this way makes sure only the people saved in your contacts can view your number. Now, here comes the important step. Right next to where it says Never Share With, click on Add Users. This option lets you create exceptions for specific people. For example, say you have coworkers or acquaintances saved in your contacts, but you don't want them to see your phone number. You can choose them right here. After selecting the users you want to block from viewing your number, click on Save. Telegram will then confirm the change, and your settings will be updated. That's it. Your phone number will remain hidden from the users you've chosen, while still being visible to your other trusted contacts. This feature is especially powerful because it gives you flexibility. It means you don't have to hide your number from everyone, only from the people you prefer not to share it with. Once set up, you'll never have to worry again about those specific contacts accessing your personal number. And there you have it. With just a few quick adjustments, you've taken another important step in protecting your privacy on Telegram.